Disposition. A black woman's disposition is always misinterpreted, misunderstood. Mistake my tough love for insults. Mistake my love for showing no love. Mistake my sorrow for a weakness. Mistake my fear for a weakness. Mistake my joy for something rare. Something I'm not allowed to possess. Mistake my pain for an over-exaggeration. Mistake my passion for aggression, tempered. Always getting in trouble for having a bad temper. What temper? What aggression? You ain't never seen my aggression, because if I ever showed it to you, actually let it out its cage. Holy shit. Look how beautiful the sky looks today. She's just as beautiful during the day as she is at night. Nature, my holy entity. The sky, the sun, the moon, the stars, the trees and flowers, mountains and streams. So much order in the church. I prefer to watch the ever-changing flow of the water. Kayaking on a lake with the sun above me. That's my Bible study. I'm seated upon a throne. Crown thyself. Crowned by myself. Women should be the queen. I be the queen. And the king.